Welcome back to the Rand and Cents channel, and today we'll discuss the basics of saving money. If you're new here, please subscribe and like to hear more helpful tips to make your rands make sense. Let's get started. Saving money can be quite simple if you have a good understanding of the fundamentals, because our ability to spend money is entirely dependent on our ability to manage it. It is critical to keep willpower and develop strong money saving practices. Whether you are attempting to save for a down payment on your first home or for your child's college tuition, our greatest frugal living suggestions can help you achieve your goals. These frugal living suggestions are provided for people on tight budgets to show you how to save money on regular expenses, which may add up to significant savings over time. Frugal living entails being intentional with your money and not squandering it on frivolous items. Being frugal does not imply you are a Scrooge. When you live a frugal lifestyle, you take the time to research and discover the greatest deal on the things you need to purchase. Self-control. Saving money is all about resisting the need to spend more than you earn. Along with credit card debt and supporting a harmful habit, impulsive shopping is one of the leading causes of financial failure. Regular exercising of self-control can help you create money-saving habits that you can maintain over time. Develop solid money management practices. It's crucial to your financial future's success and the growth of your savings. Patience. Patience is the opposite of impulsiveness. This virtue will not only save you money, it will help you make better decisions and evaluate your investments more thoroughly. When it comes to buying anything except maybe stocks, patience is key. If there is something that you want to buy, put it in your 30-day list and don't buy it until 30 days have elapsed. With this method, many impulse buys are prevented and you can reduce the amount of expenses you have. This increases the amount of money you are able to save. Spending less than what you earn. If you want to save any money, you might always spend less than what you earn. It's that simple. Just follow this one rule, you will be on your way to saving money. Establish solid money-saving habits is a great place to start. Even if you aren't saving much at first, you can gradually raise your savings. Eventually, designate a percentage of your paycheck to go into your savings every month. That's it from the Rand and Cents channel. Like and subscribe.